roses, but I just can't handle the tango.
Side together, back, hold. Side together, and then left side, and then drag the right foot. Stop. And then right foot side, and then use 2 times to drag your left foot, and then stop again. So left foot cross, rock, rock, hold. Left foot cross, rock, rock, hold. And then left just for quarter turn left. Cross, back, side, left. And then just for the left. Cross, back, side, left. And then repeat that. Cross, side, behind. Right foot, rolling behind, side, cross, touch back. And then forward left foot, and then right foot break back and look back. Forward right and then left foot break back, look back. And then rock and rock, back. Start together again. Forward, hold. Side together, back, roll. Side together, side, drag, and stop. Side, drag, and stop. Rock, 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 hold. Rock, 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 hold. Cross, back, quarter turn. Cross, back, behind, step weaving. Cross, side, behind. Round it behind, side, cross, touch back. Forward, straight, rock, and rock, back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 3, 4. 5, hold, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold. 5, 6, 7, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 3, 4. 5, hold, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold. 5, 6, 7, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rumble forward, my right foot. Side together, forward. Hold. Side together, forward, hold. And then 2 rumble back. Side together, back, hold. Side together, back, hold. And then walking back, my right. Back, 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 kick. After the kick, put your back, right foot, left foot, back rock, back, recover. And then forward half turn. So left foot walk. Left hold, and then right hold, and then forward rock back. Forward, recover, back, and then touch right. So this is stand. And then make a new wall, make a turn on the right, and then start again again. Side together, forward, hold. Side together, forward, hold. Side together, back, hold. Side together, back, hold. Back, 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 kick. Back, recover, forward, half turn. And walk, hold, forward, rock, back, and then right touch, start the dance again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold. 5, 6, 7, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. 5, 6, 7, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 3, hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then after the 16 times of the 4, number 4. Okay.